Amazon offers various installment payment methods, primarily through buy now, pay later services. The main option is Amazon Pay in 4, which splits purchases into 4 interest-free payments over 6 weeks for eligible customers in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and parts of Europe for purchases up to $1,500. Prime members may also access extended installment plans up to 12 months for select electronics and appliances, sometimes at 0% APR. Amazon also partners with third-party BNPL providers like Affirm, Klarna, and Afterpay, offering additional options during checkout, especially for higher-value items. These options require eligibility checks based on creditworthiness. To use Amazon's installment options, you'll need a valid Amazon account and meet the eligibility criteria, which may include a soft credit check. Payments are automatically debited from your linked payment method every 2 weeks. While BNPL can build credit and make purchases more manageable, it's essential to use it responsibly. Be aware of potential late fees and interest if payments are missed. Amazon's terms restrict returns after installments begin, so only use it for items you intend to keep. While BNPL is projected to grow, be cautious of overspending and potential debt accumulation.